Are you guys ready? It is Playing with Your Food episode. Some of you are new to the show, so let me explain what playing with your food is. We're going to take the sandwiches out. We're going to look at each one. We're going to look at the price. We're going to weigh the patty of chicken. These are all the chicken sandwiches from Chick-fil-A, KFC, and Popeyes. We're going to look at them, see who puts what on what sandwich, how much each sandwich is, what each chicken patty looks like. We're going to cut it in half. So we're going to play with our food today. Are you ready? So I just posted this on social media, and this is going to blow up. There is going to be some battles going on. Just like you have your own favorite barbecue sauce, you also have your favorite chicken sandwich from one of these three places. They all are famous for it. This one here is been around forever, and they're closed on Sundays. All right. This one here has been around forever, and there's nothing. It's just a regular chicken sandwich. And this one here did so well that they sold out, and they had to pull it off the menu for a while. And they just kicked it off on Sunday. And they always brag that they're open. They're closed on Sunday, and they're open on Sunday. That's why they launched on Sunday. So I went by, and there was a line of cars. They sold out by 6 p.m., and they had to get another truckload of these sandwiches. That's crazy. So let's take a look and see which one's the best value, which one is the best made, which one looks like real chicken, all right? So here you go, Chick-fil-A, KFC, and Popeyes. And these are regular chicken sandwiches, not the spicy ones, okay? Because this one didn't have spicy. I could have put Nashville Hot on the regular chicken, but this one does have spicy, and this one has spicy. But we got all regular chicken so we can get a good, even look at all of them. All right? Let's start with Popeyes. All right, so I like this package job. I'm looking at it right now. See, because if you get home and your chicken sandwich gets cold, or you buy one for a family member for the next day, they can't microwave this because it has aluminum inside, and it'll start sparking up. So you can pull it out in its paper, keep the moisture in, and give that a zap in the microwave. But it looks a little narrow. Unwrap it. Okay, first thing I notice, chicken's hanging off the side. It's about as big as my hand, the palm of my hand. Not my fingers, but the palm of my hand. You can see it's a good portion of chicken in there. All right, here we go. Looks like got a little bit of mayo right there. Got a lot of mayo right there. Chicken's a little discolored because I bought it yesterday, not today. Got a pickle, another pickle, a little bit more mayo, and that's about it. So this is what entails the Popeye chicken sandwich. 2 pieces of pickle, a country fried piece of chicken, and some mayo on the bun that looks like it's been toasted. All right, so now time to weigh our chicken patty. Let's pick it up. 3.8, 3.9. That's how many ounces? This is ounces, right? Yep, ounces. 3.8, 3.9 ounces. So it's sticking around 3.8, bouncing back and forth. We're going to give it the benefit of the doubt. If it's bouncing back and forth, we'll give it a 3.9, all right? Okay, so we're going to cut this patty, see if it looks like real chicken, or does it look pressed together, or what? Here we go. I don't know, does that look real to you? You're going to be making the call here, okay? Does that look real to you? Or does it look pressed together? Looks like it's one chicken piece, but I can't tell if it's processed and pressed. So you'll have to make that call. All right, this one's the KFC one. As you can see, it's probably not a good idea to put in the microwave like this. You want to pull the sandwich completely out because your sandwich is wrapped in foil. From the looks of this, it's looking kind of small. It looks a little bit smaller than the last one. But it's got chicken hanging out. We're going to weigh it all and tell you the bun doesn't look toasted at all. All right, here we go. They got nothing on it. Dry on top. Looks like there's some mayonnaise form on the bottom. So let's Take our chicken off. A little discolored just because it was refrigerated for a while. There's one little pickle. There's two little pickles. And there's three little pickles. And a little bit of mayonnaise. Bun is not toasted at all. All right, let's weigh it. Here we go. 3.2 ounces. Solid. So it's smaller than Popeyes. Time to cut into this bad boy. Here we go. You know, it looks exactly like the chicken at Popeyes, the way it's kind of put together. You can't tell really if it's pressed together, but you can see the little grooves in the chicken meat. Yeah, this looks exactly like the last one I cut, but it's a little bit less. I just want to make a notice. It says that their chicken is hand-breaded, chicken without any antibiotics ever. I didn't see that on any of the wrappings of the other two. So this is a cleaner piece of chicken as far as I know. I don't know if the other two places use antibiotics or not. It doesn't say on their packaging. And they cook this in 100% refined peanut oil, which is a better oil to cook in. But once again, it's in aluminum. You can see. It's not something you want to put in the microwave. This looks very similar to the KFC one. So you got nothing on the bun, completely dry. You've got a piece of chicken. You've got two pickle slices, and nothing on the bun. It looks like it's toasted, but it don't feel toasted. Brown just a little bit. So I wouldn't consider this very toasted. There's nothing on this. No mayonnaise, no mustard, no nothing. Okay? And then here's your chicken. So let's weigh it first. All right, here we go. 3.6. 3.6 solid right there. Wow. 3.6. So that means Popeyes gives you the most chicken, then Chick-fil-A, then KFC. Let's give this a cut. Can't tell really. Doesn't, you got the little lines. I mean, you really can't tell if that's pressed meat or if that's just one solid piece of chicken. I have no idea. On all three of them, they kind of look the same. They just look like solid white meat. All right, let me tell you all that I just found out. Before this video, I was a Chick-fil-A guy. I would only eat Chick-fil-A chicken sandwiches, okay? But after this video, I think my mind's changed. So you get the most chicken with Popeyes. This is $3.99, this is $3.99, this is $3.49. But the most is on Popeyes. And this one has the least amount of chicken and is equivalent in price to Popeyes. So the winner, in my mind, if I had to pick a winner out of all three of these, the winner would be Popeyes. So from now on, and Popeyes has spicy. You can get regular spicy, just like at Chick-fil-A. Regular spicy. This chicken sandwich, I'm going to request, see if I can get one of these with like Nashville hot sauce on it. See if they'll serve it up that way. I'm sure they will. But anyway, this episode of Playing With Your Food, Popeyes is the winner. Congratulations. No wonder they got a line out the door and cars around the block. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.